Hello guys, as you can see, it shows I've been signed out. I'm about to show you, see if I can sign back in. Profile's been signed out. He just flooded me, third map. Let me see if I can get signed back in. It's team deathmatch, so you can't like start back off or anything because it's TDM. Having a hard time loading back up. Alright, there it goes. And there's my map right there. There's that kid. I won first map and he just deleted me right there. Won first map, second map I lost. In third map, he IP flooded me. As you can see, I went offline. Let me see if he deleted me or he just got offline. He deleted me. So, yeah. Like, it shows that he IP flooded me, so it's proof right there that he forfeits. And if that's the case, me and him can play third map again since this is a premium match. He shouldn't get the win since he IP flooded me. Thank you.